All right, now, so let's go ahead and insert some data and actually display, um, a couple of jobs right here. But before we go ahead and do this, I just want to let you know that I fixed, the part for the image. So if we actually go to the home.blade, if you go to this line, all right, so this is actually assets like this. I wrote it wrong. Before I added like an S. So yeah, make sure to write it assets like this. It just got the folder name wrong. All right, so let's go ahead right here. We already have the controller, so we're not gonna create a new one. So if we go to HTTP, if we go to controllers, we are gonna go to the home controller right away. So we should go right over here because this is actually returns the view home, which we're targeting right over here. All right, so I want to go right over here and I want to go jobs equal job like this. This is simply just this is our job class that we have that we should actually integrate, or we should import up there. So we should go app slash models all right, so we after we go to models, we should go to to job, and we should access the job right away. All right, so there we go. So we want to go ahead and select, for example, we're going to select a couple of jobs because we're not going to grab all of them because we might have like 1,000 jobs. So we might like grab 5 jobs at least. All right, so we're going to go select right here and we're going to go order. Well, before order by, we are going to take like only 5. And right after this, we're going to go order by, let's see, order by created or ID for now. All right, and we're gonna make this so it will be actually descending. All right, and we're gonna add get so we can actually get those jobs. All right, so right after this, it actually send this with using the compact to this view. So we should just go compact like this, and we should send jobs. And I want to also get the number of total jobs that we have right here. So I want to go right over here, total jobs equal job, select. All right, so we want to go ahead and count. Let's see, count like this. All right, so or should we keep this all like this? All right, so that's fine. We will test along the way. So yeah, we should also paste this in. So let's save. Let's now go ahead, before we go ahead to the view and do a for each and just echo out the data, let's actually insert some data first inside the table. All right, so if we just click on insert right here. All right, so if we just go to the job title, what do you think that we should add? All right, so we're not gonna be able to copy this, so we're gonna just go product designer. All right, so for the job region, I'm gonna go like New York, New York. All right, for the job type, I'm gonna keep this full time. All right, so the number of vacancies, I'm gonna give it like 2. The experience, well, I wanna open up my project right here to just see. This is just the design. You wanna see the experience part, all right, so 2 to 3 years. the salary like 60K, I would say. All right, we can add it like this. That's fine. And the gender right here. Gender any. All right, application deadline. Can add this. The job description, we can grab any fake text. You just go ahead on Google and write Lorem Ipsum, or just install this extension, the name of the extension corporate Ipsum, and it should give you some kind of fake text right here. So let me just paste this. Also, as the responsibilities, I'm just gonna paste the same. All right, for all of them. And as for the image, this means the image actually, which this image right over here. So it's possibly an image for like a company or something. So I want to go to public, and I go to assets, and I want to go to images. So logo, job underscore logo, blah blah blah. So I guess we can, for example, just grab the name for this. Rename, copy this, and just go ahead right here and paste this in. All right, so we can only post one for now. You can add more if you want. All right, so now it's inserted. So let's just go ahead. Let's go ahead to home.blade. Let's go down at the bottom. Right here, we will have a couple of jobs. So jobs filled, companies. All right, so there is the part where we're gonna go ahead and pick out our own data. This is simply just the number of jobs that we have. So we can just go ahead and copy this and echo that out right here. So yeah, these are the number of jobs. If we go down here, you're gonna see that we will have a couple. All right, so product designer. All right, digital marketer, so on. So we will have a couple of job listings already for us. So yeah, as an li right here, we will only need one, and we're gonna simply just delete the rest. All right, so delete this whole thing, and let's go right here for each. All right, we need to grab this ul, cut and paste it down here. So all right, so yeah, so there is the image. For example, we want to go right here, and we want to go asset, and we want to go assets right here, slash, and we should cut this and paste it down here. So we want to go right over here. Well, actually, we did not even add the variables, so this will be jobs right here as job. All right, so we're just giving this kind of an alias as job right here, and we should actually copy this. And we should go right, we should go down here and just yeah, just concatenate this like that, job, and we should actually let's see, what should actually we grab right here? It's the image simply. All right, so let's copy this, and if we go right here, we paste this in. So this will be title, and this is simply just the name of the company. Do we even like have something for it? Do we have a column for this? We go back to job column here. So we do not have a name for the company. So yeah, should go, for example, after the job region, and should go company like this, and we should save. Should copy this and go right here and go to the structure and go right after job region and insert new column. All right, so this will be company, this will be varchar 200, save. All right, so let's actually insert something into it. So for the company, I'm just gonna keep it for all right, so we keep this company. We copy this right here and paste. All right, so let's copy this and paste right here. So this is like the job region, I would say. Copy this, paste down here, and this is just a job type. So let's go right here and paste this in. So this is job type like this. All right. So yeah, let's actually save this. So let's see what we got. All right, so it's taking a couple of seconds. All right, so it looks like that we missed something up. So call to undefined function, copy. Yeah, this is actually compact. Like this. Let's save this. All right, so one job listed right here. All right, so awesome. So as you can see right here, we got the one job, and we only got this one job right here. So I feel like something, you know, that we did not equal out something right here. So yeah, there is something wrong with the job title, I would say, but everything else is awesome. So let's go back right here. We messed up, or we forgot something. Forgot to equal out something right here. So this is job underscore title. Let's save. This will refresh. So as you can see right here, yeah, if you actually hover over it and if you look down, it's going to go to job-single.html, which is another page, where we're going to go ahead right here and just show the details of this job. All right, so I want to go ahead and finish off this video by simply just displaying the images right here, because this will simply be just static. All right, so I'm gonna display the couple. I'm gonna leave the rest for you. So if I just copy this, if I go right here at the home, if I go right over here and paste this in, go Control F and paste this in. I want to look at my images right now. Asset right here. So this will be assets like this. Let's copy this right now. And for example, let's do it to those two. I'm just gonna do this right over here, and you're gonna do the rest. We're just displaying images. That's all. All right, so just save. This should actually refresh. All right, so as you can see now, we got those three. You display the rest. I guess that there's also some kind of image, in this slider. So let's go down at the bottom. Yeah, there is one right here. Asset slash cut this and paste. So yeah, save. This will refresh. So alright, so as you can see right here, it looks like this slider have like three yeah, it has like two posts or something. So we need to display the other image. Yeah, if we can go down here and just look at this, we will have another image. So if we just go ahead. Alright, so let's save. This should actually refresh once again. Alright, so as you can see, these guys are showing up. We also have an image down here, which is this one. So let me go and paste this in, and let me actually close this. Save. This should actually refresh. Alright, so there we go. I want to actually go ahead and fix this part, you know, because shouldn't be any kind of space right here. So I want to go inspect. So margin, bottom, minus 24 pixels, for example. Alright, so we can just, alright, so there we go. This is fine. So let's copy this and let's actually go to this part, and let's go right after this image and just paste this right here. So let me just paste and save this. Let's go down. Let's see what's alright. So yeah, it's actually working perfectly. So we actually have an image right here that we're not showing up dynamically. So let me just copy this and let me go up there, and let me go asset. Well, actually, if I paste this in, alright, so it would go right here, and I got confused a bit. So if I close this like that, but close it like here, right here. So what else? I guess that this is actually all. Let's save. It should refresh once again. Alright, so probably we're missing something up. So should have like double quotations right here or something. Single quotations. No. Alright, so I'm gonna leave this right here. Well, actually, we can keep this static as it is. Now let's go back. Let's go back right here to the home page, and let's look down at the bottom and let's see the images. Alright, so what do you think? I think that they are similar, and there is nothing wrong with with this. So let me just go Control Z real quick and let's save. All right, so as you can see, it's looking fine to me, except for these images. I'm gonna do them on camera. So yeah, this will be all, and I'll see you on the next one.